To add custom fonts to Wix, start by accessing your Wix account and navigating to the Wix editor. From the editor, click on the Site menu and select Site Settings. In the Site Settings panel, click on the Custom Fonts tab. Here you will see an option to upload your own fonts. Click on the Upload Your Own Fonts button and select the font file from your computer. Wix supports TrueType and OpenType font files, with a maximum file size of 2 megabytes. Choose the font file you want to upload and click Open to upload it to Wix. Once the font is uploaded, it will appear in the Custom Fonts list to use the uploaded font in your Wix site. Select the text element where you want to apply the font, such as a heading or paragraph. Then, click on the text settings icon and select the uploaded font from the Font Family drop-down menu. You can also use the Wix font library to browse and select from a wide range of fonts. To do this, click on the Add Fonts button in the Custom Fonts tab and browse the Wix font library. Select the font you want to use and click Add to Site to add it to your site. When using custom fonts in Wix, keep in mind that some fonts may not be compatible with all devices or browsers. It is a good idea to test your site on different devices and browsers to ensure that the custom font is displayed correctly. Additionally, be sure to check the licensing terms of the font to ensure that you have the necessary permissions to use it on your website. By following these steps, you can easily add custom fonts to your Wix site and enhance the visual appeal of your website. Remember to always test your site after uploading custom fonts to ensure that they are displayed correctly and do not affect the site's performance.